These are the elevators at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Ithaca, New York. We got car 1 coming down right here. Dual lanterns. Let's go up to 4. We are at 4. Here's a look at the hallway. Let's see if we can get a view out real quick. Over by the ice machine. You can see Holiday Inn Express is way out there. And that right there is Elmira Road, New York State Route 13. Anyway, let's go back down. Real quick, the interlock, does it have a date on it? It says, I think that says 3/13, but I'm not entirely sure. So March of 2013. Here's your cab view. Here we are at 1. Whoa, it just re-leveled on me. And the other elevator just went up, so we're gonna cut to when we get it. Also, something that should not be like this. They left the door open to the machine room. Yeah, that should not be open. Here's another look. One's going up, one's going down. Yeah, anyway, the one going down is right here, card number 2. This one's got a rear door. Let's go 4. We are at 4. Is this airlock any clearer? I don't think so. Looks like it says the same thing. No surprise there. 1R, as expected, is restricted. Here's your cab view. Again, 2 doors. There it goes. And that'll be it.